RSLog simplifies how you comply with varied regulatory and reporting standards by offering customizable log templates, which includes a header and footer designer. This flexibility ensures that your documentation meets specific requirements, reducing the complexity and effort of maintaining compliance and producing professional, organized reports. The purpose of Header Footer Designer tool is to help you design the header and footer of your templates to match your company's standards. The left panel provides access to display settings and shows properties of the selected object. You can select an object on the header or footer simply by clicking on it. The top toolbar provides access to different types of elements such as labels, database field, or shapes. To add an object to your design, simply drag it from the toolbar and drop it on the header or footer area. Use toolbar zoom buttons or mouse wheels to zoom. Page settings, such as paper size and margins, are available in the top right corner of the screen. To access documentation for this tool, click on the Help button. We recommend that you review the documentation before using this feature. To make changes to your design, start by selecting an element. Properties of the selected object are displayed on the left panel and can be edited as you wish. This includes text, color, font styles, and alignment. To change the location of an object, simply grab the object with mouse and move it to the desired location. Grid lines and Snap to Grid can be toggled on or off from the toolbar. Grid size can also be changed from the global settings on the left panel. Feel free to change the height of the header or footer of your template. If an object falls outside of the printable area, it will be shown in red and you'll need to resize or move it to address the issue. You can select a group of objects and apply changes to the entire group. For example, you can align them, make them the same size, or delete them all together. Use a database field object to show information about the project or borehole by using its source property. If you have defined extra tags in your RSLog account, they will appear at the bottom of the source list. To change the font of all objects with one click, use the Global Settings section. Let's add a new label for drilling fluid. In this case, since drilling fluid is not a built-in data entry field in RSLog, we have added it as an extra tag for boreholes. You can do so from the Settings page, Data Entry, Extra Tags tab. We're going to add a line to separate this part from the notes. Please note that when Snap to Grid is on, the location and size of objects will be affected by the grid size property. In this case, the user has set the grid size to 1 mm. Once your design is finished, click Save to close the Header Footer Designer. With RSLog's Header Footer Design functionalities, you're better equipped to produce reports that match company reporting standards and communicate data effectively. Visit rockscience.com and start your free trial of RSLog today.